Unlock a powerful new way to boost your sales by integrating Stripe with Klarna for buy now, pay later. First, ensure you have active merchant accounts with both Stripe and Klarna. Log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Payment Methods section in the left-hand menu. In Payment Methods, find and select Klarna. You'll see an option to enable Klarna as a payment method, initiating the connection process. Next, access your Klarna merchant portal. Locate the API keys or integration settings area to establish the secure link between the two platforms. Here, generate or copy your Klarna API keys, including your shared secret and merchant ID. Keep these keys secure and private. Return to your Stripe dashboard where you enabled Klarna. Input the Klarna API keys you retrieved into the corresponding fields. After entering your Klarna API keys and saving changes in Stripe, the integration should be confirmed with a success message. With the integration complete, Klarna will appear as a buy now, pay later option at checkout, allowing customers to split payments, increasing conversions and customer satisfaction.